How true it was when Plato said, "What surprises me most about humankind is that we get bored of our childhood. Then we rush to grow up, and then we long to be children again. That we lose our health to make money and then lose our money to restore our health. That by thinking anxiously about the future, we forget the present, such that we live in neither the present nor the future. That we live as if we're never going to die, as though we have never lived to begin with. Human behavior flows from three main sources: desire, emotion, and knowledge. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a harder battle. We can easily forgive a child who is afraid of the dark. The real tragedy of life is when men are afraid of the light. Those who are able to see beyond the shadows and lies of their culture will never be understood, let alone believed, by the masses. Ignorance, the root and stem of every evil. Never discourage anyone who continually makes progress, no matter how slow.